Welcome back to Motorcycle Hub, the ultimate destination for every motorcycle enthusiast who lives, breathes, and dreams of two wheels. Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated motorcycle launches in decades, the 2026 Harley Davidson Knucklehead. After years of speculation, spy shots, and rumors, the legend has officially returned. This is not just another retro-inspired bike. It's a powerful blend of heritage, modern technology, and emotional storytelling that connects generations of riders. The legacy of the Knucklehead. To understand why the 2026 Knucklehead means so much, we need to revisit history. The original Knucklehead, first introduced in 1936, was a turning point for Harley Davidson. Its iconic V-twin engine design, named after the knuckle-shaped rocker boxes, defined an era of American motorcycling. It wasn't just a machine. It was a symbol of freedom, rebellion, and craftsmanship. Riders from the post-war generation fell in love with its raw mechanical sound and unmatched personality. Fast forward nearly 90 years, and that same spirit is back, refined, re-engineered, and ready to conquer a new age of riders. Harley Davidson has managed to preserve the heart of the original while giving it the performance and reliability demanded by 21st-century motorcyclists. Design. Classic soul. Modern build, the 2026 Knucklehead is an instant head-turner. At first glance, it feels like a time machine. The teardrop fuel tank, the low-slung frame, the polished chrome, and the bold stance all scream vintage Harley. But the closer you look, the more modern magic you see. The bike comes in a two-tone red and black color scheme, a tribute to Harley's 1940s palette, but finished with deep metallic paint and high-gloss clear coat. The frame is lighter, yet sturdier, built with a mix of forged aluminum and steel for a perfect balance between durability and agility. The signature V-twin engine design retains its classic knuckle-shaped heads, but now hides an advanced cooling and fuel injection system for smooth performance. Harley has also focused heavily on ergonomics. A slightly lower seat height, wider bars, and mid-mounted foot controls make the Knucklehead comfortable both for long-distance touring and city cruising. LED lighting, modern turn signals, and a discrete digital cluster are seamlessly integrated without disturbing its vintage charm. The craftsmanship feels hand-built. Every panel, every weld, every curve seems designed to celebrate the machine itself. Performance. The new Milwaukee. Heartbeat. Underneath its nostalgic exterior lies Harley's latest Milwaukee V8 Evolution engine, a brand new 1800cc V-twin designed specifically for the Knucklehead revival. It produces around 120 horsepower and 150 Nm of torque, giving the bike a muscular mid-range and a thunderous exhaust note that echoes the soul of the original. This engine is paired with a 6-speed transmission that offers smoother shifting and reduced vibrations, along with a slipper clutch for more control during aggressive downshifts. The ride modes, Classic, Sport, and Tour, adjust throttle response, traction control, and suspension settings. Whether you're cruising down Route 66 or ripping through mountain curves, the 2026 Knucklehead delivers confidence and character. The suspension setup features Showa adaptive forks at the front and an adjustable rear monoshock. Combined with cornering ABS and traction control, this is by far the most technologically advanced Knucklehead ever built. Harley has also added a new lightweight exhaust system tuned for deep resonance. Every rev feels alive. Every gear shift echoes nostalgia. Technology. Old school meets smart tech. While Harley Davidson has kept the Knucklehead visually classic, the inside is pure 2026 technology. A compact digital analog hybrid console displays all key data, including Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, and ride analytics. The bike supports voice commands, smart helmet integration, and even remote diagnostics via the Harley app. Safety has also been enhanced, cornering traction control. Tire pressure sensors, adaptive headlights, and proximity key ignition come as standard. But perhaps the most interesting feature is Harley's Heritage Mode, which transforms the display into a retro-style dashboard with vintage dials and needle animations. It's a small detail, but it shows Harley's commitment to honoring the past while embracing the future. Sound and feel. Pure emotion on two wheels. No Harley Davidson is complete without its signature sound, and the 2026 Knucklehead brings it back, deeper, sharper, and more refined than ever. Harley's engineers have tuned the exhaust to replicate the rhythm of the original Knucklehead while ensuring compliance with modern emission standards. When you fire it up, it doesn't just start. It roars to life like a living legend returning from the past. The riding experience is visceral. You feel the pulse of the engine through the handlebars, the balance of the chassis in every corner, and the history in every rev. It's a bike that doesn't just move your body, it moves your soul. Pricing and availability. Harley Davidson has announced that the 2026 Knucklehead will be a limited edition production run, aimed at collectors and lifelong fans of the brand. Early estimates suggest a price starting around $32,000, with special variants and custom finishes going higher. Each unit will be individually numbered, and pre-orders open mid-2026 through selected Harley dealerships worldwide. Rumors suggest that Harley may later introduce a standard production version if demand exceeds expectations. And judging by the excitement in the motorcycle community, that's almost guaranteed. Conclusion: a legend reborn. The 2026 Harley Davidson Knucklehead is more than a motorcycle. It's a bridge between generations, a machine that carries the DNA of America's motorcycle culture while stepping firmly into the future. With its perfect fusion of classic design, modern engineering, and emotional storytelling, Harley Davidson has achieved something truly special. For riders who grew up idolizing the original Knucklehead, this isn't just a launch, it's a dream reborn. And for new riders, it's a chance to experience what real motorcycling passion feels like. Stay tuned to Motorcycle Hub for in-depth reviews, sound tests, and on-road impressions of the 2026 Knucklehead. The legend is back, and it's louder, faster, and prouder than ever.